am Maya and welcome back to my channel. I'm sitting on the stair because I'm charging my phone and trying to find a corner that is quiet enough to have a short video to asking you a question, because I'm going to shoot one of my design to make a video tutorial. The reason is I cannot make both because I'm so busy, I have so much thing to do, and I wanted to put I wanted to be able to share with you my tutorial and yet still enjoy my life. So this is a two design. One is a tribal yoga and the other one is Persephone goddess top. Or maybe the number one is Persephone goddess top and the number two is tribal yoga. Let's do this. And you can comment below which one would you like me to make a video tutorial, and I will do that in the upcoming video tutorial for you guys. Just comment below number one is Persephone goddess top or number two tribal yoga, and I will count all the number word from all of you in all of my social media, and we will see which one have the most vote. If you want to vote more on the one that you would like to see a video tutorial, you can also find me on Instagram at MayaLunaCorazon and also Facebook at MayaLunaCorazon. And I have two groups. You can put more vote in both groups. I will put the link down in the description box below. The more word, that is the more number of the top you would like me to make video tutorial, and I will do that. All right, have a beautiful day and I see you later. Bye bye.